Hello everybody, this is Sanad and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, I'll be walking through one of my rental properties that's being worked on right now. This is the work that I have done so far. If you've seen my previous video of how the property looked like after 3 years of people living in it and the tenants finally moved out, and now with this painting, with this work to it, and now you go and see the finished product. Alright, now we are standing inside of the living room. If you've seen the previous video, you will see how the house looked like. I'll see if I can split the screen or show you some pictures on the video of how the house looked like before. And here's the kitchen. They left me an awesome table, which will be going to the dumpster here in a little bit. Also the refrigerator. The floor does have a little bit of damage right here. It looks like a burn mark, but this thing is going to be replaced anyway. Stove. All right, now let's go into the living room. This is the carpet. You can see where the couch was, all the love seats, all that good stuff. And then you can see where it was walked on. This carpet is about 3 years old. There go the walls. The walls are pretty good, but they do have a bunch of places where pictures were hung. All right, now let's move on to the other room. This is room number 1. Also, carpet will be replaced in the entire house. Fixture, awesome little sun picture. Also, a little bit more holes. All right, now let's go to the other room. Let's see if the lights. Let me turn on the light. All right, same thing. Carpet will be replaced. All the electrical outlets will be replaced, repainted. But if you want to see the complete walkthrough of this property right after the tenants moved out to see what kind of condition it was in, I'll have that video linked in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. But this is weeks worth of work. Last Sunday I uploaded the first video of when the tenants moved out, and this is what's done so far. We got brand new carpet installed thanks to my man Gomez, one of my contractors that does carpeting and flooring, laminate. He's professional. He does excellent job. All right, you can see we have walked through the house a lot of times. All right, this is one of the bedrooms. So in this room, all we had to do is pretty much remove all the stuff that was on the walls, like the pictures of the sun and all those glow-in-the-dark stickers and stuff. Also, we've got brand new carpet in here as well, brand new trim. We repainted the doors, got all new sockets, all new outlets. The old ones that were in here were repainted like 100 times over, and they were extremely old. Good blinds. All right, the doors were repainted as well. And this is pretty much one bedroom. All right, now we're going to go inside the other bedroom. All right, here's the other one. This one's a little bit smaller. Also got fresh paint all over, new blinds, new outlets as well. The outlets make a huge difference. I'm telling you, in person, they look amazing, especially compared to the old ones, that were, oh my God, painted over 100 times. They were extremely dirty. Now, it looks pretty sweet. All right, now we're going to go inside the bathroom. It got the noise, so. All right, as you can see, we repainted the door as well. Everything looking good. All right, so that silver thing will be removed, and it will be recaulked on the edges right there. It's kind of old looking. Bathtub looks good. Tile looks good. So that will be done Sunday. Tomorrow, I'm going to come in here, do all the finishing touches. But laminate still the same. We just did a lot of cleaning in the bathroom. But other than that, it was pretty sweet. All right, this is just another regular closet. Didn't do much to it, but cleaned it out. All right, here's the furnace. Got new carpet in here. Cleaned it up a little bit. Now it looks way fresher. All right, I still have to get a different air filter. If you see this one, it does not go all the way to the sides. So I will have to get a bigger one. But furnace, excellent. Only 1.5 years old. All right, this is the living room again. You can see the doors were just repainted. New outlets, new carpet. Everything is looking good. Also got these blinds. I will have to trim them a little bit more so they can match the rest of them. But flooring in the kitchen was also the same. All right, so here's some of the damage that the previous tenant left right there. This is the laminate flooring, and right there. This is pretty much them cooking and putting a pot on the floor. So the laminate flooring will have to be replaced, but I will replace that on a future date. Also, the refrigerators here and a stove, you can see I removed all the tops from them. Got to be cleaned out, and new ones will be installed. All right, so here's the kitchen. We ended up leaving the cabinets alone. We just cleaned them up real good. They'll still have to be cleaned up a little bit more, but other than that, they are very functional, look decent. So sometime later on in the future, the cabinets will be repainted, probably get new hinges, all that good stuff. Sink looks good, a little bit dirty, but it will do. It will do. All right, so there goes the kitchen. The heat is about to turn on. Also, we have another room over here that's being worked on right now. Kabam. It's wet, so I don't want to go in there. All right, everybody, there goes a quick walkthrough in one of my rental properties. As you can see, half of the work that is being done is done by me and my wife. It is very easy. This just goes to show you that you can do this. You do not have to be a professional. You do not have to have 10 years of contractor experience. This is doable for everybody. So if you're starting out, take this as motivation. You can absolutely do this. You can paint like this. You can get flooring done. You can do some cleaning in the kitchen. You can clean the fans. You can clean the bathroom, recaulk, do all kind of stuff simply just by doing a simple YouTube search. All the stuff so far I have learned on YouTube. How to replace outlets on the wall, how to fix air conditionings, how to paint, all that stuff. I watched YouTube videos and then I decided to do it myself. So if you're looking to get into real estate, you can absolutely do it. I learned everything on YouTube, watched tons of videos on electrical work, how to replace outlets, how to fix air conditionings, how to replace thermostats, how to paint, how to replace light fixtures, everything I learned on YouTube. And you can do the exact same thing. It is not rocket science. You can do it. All right, so there goes a quick walkthrough. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or tips, drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll be also doing a quick walkthrough of outside of the house and showing you all the work that's being done outside. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, see you in the next one. Peace out.